Hey guys, Poen here, and today I now have a PlayStation 4. And today I am playing Injustice, Gods Among Us, the Ultimate Edition. And I'm not alone. And this is not my PlayStation 4, or my house, or my TV.
What's up, guys? It's Air Raid, and today we're gonna play some Injustice Gods Among Us. Because this boy right here wants to get some rematch since last time. Because I whipped his butt.
I whipped you, Air Raid.
I whipped you.
I whipped you, Ares, bruh. The God of War. He's still not.
Yeah, right. Alright.
Isn't battles where you do multiplayer?
No, it's single fight.
Oh. Alright, I'm
now
rusty. I don't remember how
Let
to
me
play.
choose my character, my best character.
Oh, I forgot.
Oh, yeah, they got scorpions in it, yeah.
Who's that chick?
This one, Zatanna, I don't know, she's weak.
When did all these new characters come in?
This is the Ultimate Edition.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Last time
I got all the new skins.
Last time I played, we weren't playing the Ultimate Edition.
Let me start out with my best one. I'm good with Cyborg.
It's not letting me do it.
Okay, then that's not the right thing.
Then I guess it is battles.
Multiplayer versus, I think. Yeah,
There we
it is.
go.
Yeah, there we go. Alright, yeah. We got it right. Oh, there you go, okay. Regimen's the best skin.
Or the classic. I always love classic forms of all characters. They're amazing.
You know what? I'm gonna be the nut.
Wait. I want to vote. Where is it? Where's the outside vote?
He needs me.
I like Wayne Manor. I love Wayne Manor.
No!
I got Wayne
Gotham
Manor.
City.
Next we'll go to Gotham City next for you. This is your house.
It is my house, but I didn't want anybody to know.
Shh. You do not know that Bruce Wayne is Batman.
You just said it!
Shh. Keep it secret. He looks. That's how he actually looks. Wait a second. Let me learn how to play.
Oh, you got the first hit!
I know how to play. Never mind. I'm good.
Oh, okay. I knocked out Batman. Oh.
Oh God! Help me!
Oh no!
Ah!
Dang it! Alright.
What's up, bro?
What the heck?
What's up, bro?
What was that combo? Alright, there we go.
Hey.
Yeah. Oh no. You're Rusty my butt!
I'm button mashing, bro.
Button mashing cheater!
Hey,
Here.
get over here to the bicycle. How do you? I want to hit you to the bicycle.
Give me. I'm gonna hit you with a bicycle.
No.
Oh what?
No. Help me.
Back here.
Help me. God, help me.
You're already God.
I am. Woo. No.
You missed. Really?
No.
Batman always wins.
No, dang it! Oh. It's kind of like a Mortal Kombat type game. That's why.
Yeah, you're just jumping all around the place. It's like button smashing.
That's how you win on.
I'm still trying to be the best I can be. I ain't gonna be no button masher.
Oh yeah!
Okay, yeah, I need to get into this game more. Because Injustice 2 is about to come out.
Yeah, I'm down one. I'm getting close to have my super.
What?
Sword missed. Axe hit.
Booyah!
Yay!
I'm keeping it equal. Yay! I kept it equal. Yeah! Get over here.
Sup, bro?
No! No!
I planned it.
Arrow.
Arrow. And missing my chest.
Yes, you're
My
missing your chest
is gone.
Yeah.
My chest is gone.
Well, it looks like I'm dead. No more Batman.
How am I level 6 and you're level 1?
Because remember, I believe in him. Remember?
Oh, you leveled up. New items. I don't care about any of that. I just want to fight.
Fighter.
Fighters. We're gonna
Jeez,
random battles. Random battles.
Random. I don't know how you do random. Options. Random select.
B. Yes. Wait, B. I didn't. Oh, there you go. Okay.
I chose random. I got
you get
Scorpion.
Yeah, you get scorpions.
Oh, the Random Supremes. All right.
Gotham City. That's where you wanted to go last time. Remember?
No, I was just kidding about that. I actually want to do whatever you want.
I want to go back to my old best place and go to Paris.
Well, since you're choosing that,
Choose your best place.
we gonna do some. What is it? Themyscira, where the gods are. Your map is always choosing.
How is that?
It's so
I
dumb.
always get my map.
You always get your map.
Maybe the game loves me. Oh.
Dang.
You game.
All right.
I'm joking.
Finish him.
No.
Oh yeah.
Hey. That is not.
Oh. What's it? I don't remember any other combos. Hold on. Thank you. Okay, that's that. Which one was the? I don't remember. Hold on. Wait, let me see here. Oh, I almost did Blaze Spear on you.
Bruh, I told you. Told you not to be doing that. Hey.
Get over here! I love that move. Oh.
Okay.
Die, burn!
Sup, bro?
Oh, button masher. Button masher.
I'm really learning how to play now.
All right, it's equal. It's equal then. I see that now. I see that. What?
Ah! How?
No way!
How? Sup, bro? No.
Oh! We're up in the corner.
I believe I should give you a chance. Let me get on the corner for you, baby. Hey! Hold you! Got me done!
Oh my god!
God! You're still
Get up! Ow! Scorpion!
Woo! You in a giant rocket!
So what? You go to hell. Burn!
I don't like you anymore.
Okay, bye! Looks like this is my channel now!
My channel, I'm Poha. What's up, bro?
Oh man, this is good.
So awesome.
I wonder why we
Rematch up in here. Hey! I told you I want to rematch.
Alright, I'm gonna do another random select. I'm thinking. Why? Why? Did you do a random?
I'm doing random now. Shazam!
Oh my god, great. Alright.
All of justice.
Yeah, you go do it. I'm going to Metropolis.
We're going to Metropolis.
I'm sorry, guys.
We're going to Metropolis.
If you can't see that well, we're trying here. We're gonna make another video after this and see.
Actually,
We're gonna do Fallout 4 next, or Rainbow, either one.
Rainbow.
Alright, it's ice versus lightning. Let's go. Ice versus lightning. Ooh.
So,
Hey, man. You can't hit a girl. Can't hit a girl. Come on.
hey, don't make me.
Don't make me. Don't.
Hey, I told you. Yo,
Alright, I'll give you a chance. I'll give you you a little bit of a chance.
I
I knew you were gonna do that again.
my car.
Stop hitting me. You can't hit a girl. Stop hitting a girl.
Back off.
You
Back
back
off.
off. You
Back
back
off.
off. You back off.
Here. No car for you.
No, dodge it. Oh, yeah, son. Ice up in this business.
Gotta wait for that tiny minute.
Oh, yeah.
But
I still hit it, though. Freaking Elsa up in here.
what's up, bro? No!
You weren't so close.
Oh no, I'm trying to charge it up.
Oh,
I'm
man.
kicking the bed.
I'm close. I'm close to charging it up.
Going up. Bro, I told you, leave my Lambo alone.
No, you leave the city alone, okay?
Ah,
I'm gonna freeze it all up, superhero.
stop it.
Dang it. I have never even seen Killer Frost in the DC. I have never seen it before. When I first got this game, I was like, who is this? I got it again, son! What? Oh.
I missed.
Come on! You get it! Yeah! Oh!
Oh, 2 beats in a row.
Two beats in a row! Oh, dude, that was a close one.
Now one more we get to choose this time. We get to choose this time.
Oh, yes.
Now we get to choose. But you cannot be anybody you've already been.
Jeez. Yeah, leveled up, kid.
Oh, dude, this is awesome.
This is a good game. I can't wait until the second one comes out.
New fire.
Yeah, let me just get up the computer real quick so you can see it.
Steroid man!
Oh my god, don't start up that joke again. That's good, right?
Steroid man is bang.
Okay, if you're going steroid, man, I'm gonna do another random select. I really want to try this out. Oh! Rematch of the century, boy! Let's go!
Since I always chooses mine, let's go to Wayne Manor.
Alright. No, you choose Wayne Manor if you want to. I'm thinking about Strikers Island, actually. Yard.
If it chooses Wayne Manor, I'm sorry, but
Oh, yeah! Strikers Island, let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Up in here. Up in here, up in here, up in here, up in here.
people who are my friends or who are subscribed to me, you'll know where this is from. To the window! To the wall! Oh, first strike, bro! Thought she was weak.
Yeah, well, she is. Look at her.
Ah!
She has magic. She ain't robotic. She doesn't
Hey!
have a fist.
Can you stop throwing stuff at me, please?
No!
Can you?
No.
What's up, bro?
Why? You already have it.
Oh!
What?
Because you've been beating. Because I got first hit, and then you've been beating the crap out of me.
Oh, yeah.
Over here. Over here. I have a present for you over here.
Hold on, wait a minute. Okay, that's how you do it.
Come here. Please. There's a present.
Oh yeah, I got the Noble Blaster.
If you are literally gonna be that type of person, get over here. Oh no, nope.
Okay. Oh,
Ah!
that's it!
No!
Oh no! Oh, I should have used it on the next match. Get a sword of disguise, man. You gotta keep on jumping, you know. But no one's a better jumper and sword like air raid.
I despise you!
You despise me. How could you? Oh, you have it again. No! Oh!
I'm screwed! I'm so screwed! The comeback of all!
Yeah! Falcon punch!
Best you got killed by Ares. What are you talking about? You the best.
HLC air raid up for the win! Booyah! Oh,
Alright,
man.
I gotta give props to that.
Yeah.
But I want a rematch.
I want to select new fighter.
Me punk me.
Woo!
Alright.
This video has gone good
We need
so
to choose
far.
this time.
I'm going random select. Alright, I like to do... No.
Ah! No, you have to. You have to.
No.
Oh.
Okay, now that one I will do.
Alright.
Catwoman's actually pretty good. Oh, I can steal stuff. I'm going to the Gotham City.
Oh, two of my best maps.
Oh, come on.
It's became my best of all. Hit you with a motorcycle.
I hit you with the motorcycle.
I'm gonna hit you with a gargoyle.
I'm gonna throw you to the wall. Oh, you're the Flash? Okay. Alright.
Woo!
Oh, I wasn't paying attention. See, you have to have cat reflexes, alright?
Oh!
Cat
Sup, bro?
Cat reflexes!
Cat like, eh? You sure the cat like?
Yeah, it's cat like. Of course it is. It has to be.
Sup, bro? Oh! Can you stop it?
Oh.
Sup, bro? Oh,
No! Oh man. Boom! Oh man, that's cool. Oh my god, dude.
no! Talk about comeback!
Meow! Cat-like reflexes! Yeah, get scratched, boy!
No! Stop! No!
Oh yeah. Cat-like reflexes! Oh, I forgot. Come here, boy. Come here. Oh, dang it. I can't pick it up. You can't either.
I may not be able to pick it up, but I can still. Ow! Sup, bro? Oh no!
God dang it.
Oh no!
Ow!
Oh no!
Ow! That's like 4 wins in a row, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, man. That's good. Good stuff. Oh, man.
Dude, the points we both got.
Yeah.
That's gonna be the best round we've ever done.
Yeah.
That was the closest we've ever done.
That was awesome. All right. That was good.
Alright. This round we get to choose.
Ooh, we still do random select. Alright. The 3D versus the Master. Alright. I got robot legs. Batcave, man. Batcave.
Go to my home. Where
Let's go to our home!
No,
You're
actually,
supposed to be mowing the lawn!
Your bad daughter.
I ain't your daughter!
I wanted a son.
Batgirl ain't Batman's son, alright?
I know. I'm just gonna say it anyways. I wanted a son.
You got Robin
Give
for
me a
that.
son.
You got Robin for that, okay?
He got so angry. He's like, I wanted a son. I don't.
What's it doing? Oh. Yeah, well, dang, Batgirl's gotta have some more training.
Oh, what's up, bro?
Oh, well, never mind. I'm trying to do freaking classic blue, but I can't. Dang it. Oh, man.
It's still a really close round.
Oh, man. Oh, you're oh, no! I could have used it.
Thank you, actually.
Oh, man.
Boom! Kick your face. Boom.
I don't know how to access her special. It's weird. I don't know how to... Oh, in the sky! Oh! Yes! Now I know how to activate it.
That's why I said I wanted a son. You're too weak.
Eh, I'm not. I'm too weak. Oh, yeah, I am.
Think the combos, man.
Yeah, the freaking combos.
Oh, in the face.
Yeah, that was one win. My streak took out.
That was awesome. I need fist bump.
Yeah, that was good. That was really good. Good job. Jeez, the points you got.
Big points, man. The combos.
Yeah.
That's pure nothing but combos, man. That's all that was that round.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh man. Hey, you got an update. iTunes or something.
That's fun.
Alright, this is gonna be for all the marbles. For all the marbles.
You pick a character you don't know at all. I dare you to pick a character you don't know at all.
What, you're gonna use Destro because you don't know him at all?
I don't know him at all. I mean, I could always go to Ares.
No, you can't choose somebody.
I don't know.
The one I have not used in a long time. But I don't know.
Green Lantern.
Story. Oh, I never used this guy before, Lobo. I don't know who he is.
I've used him once.
Yeah.
Go.
Alright. Of course, I'm gonna die because I don't even know how to use this character. I wanted to hunt down. Oh!
Cell block.
Alright.
Oh, dude, Cell block's awesome.
Yeah, sounds like it's awful. It's not a perfect place for Lobo to be. I mean, like, it's cool, but it's just not a good place a little bit.
Not cool enough. I like Lobo already.
Time to liven up the joint.
Yeah! Now you just freaking. Oh, you classic Deathstroke. Okay. Now something's gotta do with his shotgun. I don't know how how to use a shotgun. Oh, so that's what he does with loading his shotgun.
What's up, bro? Oh no! Oh, dude! I'm getting killed up in here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You should let me up. You should let me down. Like, I just keep on freaking doing all this stuff.
Comeback of all comebacks, bro.
No! Oh man! Come on! That was so dumb.
It's called the comeback of all comebacks.
No. Oh, he knocked himself out. You should. Ow! 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 Dog.
Hey! Get up!
No! Oh! If this game my special, I want to.
The comeback of all comebacks!
Oh, that was so fun. Yeah!
No!
I'm still a champion! Oh! Yeah.
Let me go, Lobo. Alright. Guys, let's finish this off. One last match.
Alright, one last match.
Random.
Random. Yeah.
No changing.
We gotta do it at the same
Wait a
time.
second, wait a second. No. Here's how we're gonna let me go first.
No.
Wait a second, listen. Alright. Got Aries. I get to choose my costume.
Alright.
Alright, before I choose, click random and choose your character's costume. Why don't you give you Shazam?
Alright.
Alright, choose your costume.
Man,
Shazam.
I'm gonna go Regimen.
man.
This one is not the championship. He is the champion. He killed me miserably. That was just miserable.
Yeah.
That's horrible.
Yeah.
I was like 7 deaths in a row.
7 freaking
No.
deaths in a row.
No,
Man.
it wasn't 7
Look
deaths in
at
a row.
those giants
It
fighting.
was like
in the
5
sky.
deaths in a row that I beat you once and then you killed me like 2 more times. I've only won twice. Oh, Regimen looks awesome.
I told you. Man! Always keep on starting with a big crap! Yeah! Dynamic load! Yeah!
Hey! You, bro, don't mess with me up in here. It's my home.
Hey! Alright.
What's up, bro? What's up? What's up, bro?
Who's the hot kick? The hot kick?
Boom, and then just stop. No. Just
Hulk smash! Now that is eye contact. Oh, dang it! I was trying to fix something. Good idea!
oh, it's so close. Look at my sword is destruction. No,
Oh, you're gonna just back up!
no, bro, don't relax. Thank you, bro.
Oh, dude.
Why can't I throw this guy? Oh, I hit you with that guy. Ah, no, no,
Yes!
ah,
Yeah! Yeah! Don't mess with the god of lightning!
You may be the god of lightning, but I'm the god of war. Don't mess with the god of war.
What? And your evil ways. Come back to the century.
Come back to the century. No, come back to the century. This is the way to the century.
Again! Bro!
How to end the match. Oh,
Hang it!
3v6. He beat me 6 or 7 times. I only beat him 3 times.
Dead again! Alright. That was
And level
good.
up.
That was good.
Level 9, level. And they're still fighting in the background. Just boom, boom. She's beating crap out of him.
Yeah. Like whack whack.
Alright, guys, well. Alright. Let me turn up the brightness some so you can actually see my face. You like it? You like it? Now, anything to say, right?
Yeah. You keep on using Ares, and I'll use my best character against you, which is Cyborg.
Okay. Well, see you guys in the next video.
It'll
We're
be
out.
rainbow! It'll be rainbow.
Let's play some Rainbow up in here.